Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing Dispute Beast, which is an AI powered credit repair software that claims to fix your credit fast using the automations. But does it really help you, or is it just another overhyped tool? Let's just find that out in today's video. So this is disputebeast.com website. It promises to scan your credit report, detect the error, and send dispute letters automatically. It sounds great, but credit repair is rarely that simple. Many users say that the software feels generic and the letters it generates may not work if your issues are more complex. Plus, some reports have mentioned confusing dashboards, slow customer support, and no refunds. If you want to just take a look at the ratings and reviews, you can come on Trustpilot and you will see that over 250 plus reviews are available, and overall this website received 4.3 stars rating. But if you click on the 1 stars rating, by clicking on this box, you will come to know what people that don't like about it are saying over here. So my final thought would be dispute beast might help you with the basic disputes, but you cannot expect magic from it. For serious credit problems, you can take a real expert instead of using these types of tools. But if you want to use it, you can definitely go ahead and do so. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.